Hello, my name is Lucius III. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at MUSC Health, Orangeburg. I have advanced skills in robotic hip and knee replacements. My motto in treating patients is that I would like to treat patients the way I would like to be treated. I'm a practicing orthopedic surgeon in a small town, so when you come and see me, you'll have a small town feel of when we interact. I like to become very personal with my patients, learn about them, their family background, and what they like to do, as well as what they like to do for a living. I would like to get patients back to doing what they want to do whenever they have conditions such as arthritis and traumatic injuries.